bearishstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Thursday, October 31st. And we'll be starting with yesterday's major event, which was the Fed decision to do basically nothing. The market was expecting that, but the language in the statement showed that there's an increased possibility of a sooner taper than the market expected, and this had an impact on strengthening the dollar and pressured equities on the downside. So if we look at the S&P 500, we see a bearish engulfing here, signaling that there's a strong possibility this index could start going down. Also, the Fed decision is almost a carbon copy of their decision in September, this is the reaction the market had to it last time. Trader sentiment going into the session is also slightly bearish. Still, the market is going to be digesting what the FOMC meant and upcoming data. If we go to the euro, here's the reaction in this pair to the Fed decision. Strengthening dollar means this pair is going to continue on the downside. Its next important support level is here at 136.70. If there's any type of correction, we'll be looking to go back to 137.50, but it's relatively unlikely. The pound also continued on the downside. It didn't have such a strong reaction to the Fed decision as the euro did. It bottomed out here at 1.6, which is a pretty strong support level. If it were to break through this level, it would be targeting down 1.59, which is the next support level, and we could see a brief correction. So there appears to have already been a correction here. The next brief correction could push it up to 161. We also need to get some more time here to develop, see where the overall trend for this pair is going to be over the next several days. The Bank of Japan also had a interest rate decision, but the reaction was muted because it was in line with market expectations. So the dollar yen pair will be trading most likely between the 97.75 and the 98.80 range here. Gold also closed slightly down. There's quite a lot of volatility, however. This is mostly in response to either a continuing correction for the strong move and dollar weakness. After the Fed decision, we could see this commodity start going to continue its overall downward trend as the dollar gains strength over the next several days. If we go over to the economic calendar, we see coming up today we have at 10 o'clock inflation data from the Eurozone. And at 12:30 we have employment data from the United States. And that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.